Hey, I wanted to put a video out on these Marsupial gear Zipparoo pouches. They are the stretch fabric ones. I've got all three sizes here, I believe. Yeah, large, medium, and small. They range from $14 to $18. Come in 3 or 4 different colors, and I am not sponsored by these guys. I think I own a couple more pieces of their kit, but this is about it. I think the other stuff is like a lens cloth and a pouch for vinyl harness or something like that. But anyways, this here is a really great way to shave weight out of all your packs. Any of your kits or bags where you have, well, like pouches like this, the nylon fabric, the Cordura or whatever it's called, this Molly gear. It weighs a lot more than what you think. And if you replace 1 or 2 of these with 1 or 2 of these, and you might save a pound, at least some ounces for sure. And these things will hold a lot. You can put a lot of junk in here: water filter, paracord, fire kit. This is a kill kit for deer hunting. Stuff for archery hunting. These are obviously, a lot of them go in different bags and stuff, but you know, they'll hold quite a bit, and they're just really lightweight but also durable. They feel high quality. I've had them about a year, and they've been riding around in some packs and stuff. See, I got a whole big Sawyer camp filter in this one, the whole setup, the bottle and everything. But yeah, so you switch from a material like this hard nylon, and go to this stretchy fabric. And I'm not sure how their mesh ones are. I'm wanting to try their mesh fabric, but you can see how it's stretchy a little bit there. Only got one hand, sorry guys. I ain't got this whole filming thing figured out yet. But yeah, I like these bright orange ones because most of these are not going to be in anything where you're trying to not be seen, except for maybe this one, which is why it is the way it is. And I have a gray one too in a duck hunting bag, I thought, but it's not in the duck hunting bag I thought it was in. So anyways, these here are the Marsupial gear Zipparoo pouches, the stretch versions. And I think it's a tremendous value and a really easy and simple way to save weight in your pack. Give them a try.